Hey, good morning. We have a busy day ahead of us today, but I had to make sure that I got this video done. It's about a dealership sales tactic that's happening frequently to customers who are looking to purchase vehicles that are in high demand. So if you're looking to purchase a car where you have to put down a deposit either for an incoming unit or for a factory order, you're gonna wanna pay attention. So today you literally get to come along for the ride. Ralphie? So, like I always say, we're not here to target any particular dealership or brand. We're here to talk about a sales tactic that really is not fair to consumers. So how does it work? Well, it's actually quite simple. You go into the dealership and you go through the regular sales process. You're going to meet with a salesperson. He's going to take you on a test drive. And then when you come back to the dealership, you start talking about the total value of the vehicle, you start talking about monthly payments, and you come to an agreement. All that's left to do now is just sign the purchase agreement. And this is where the salesperson starts his performance. He says, you know what? Let me just check on one last thing. And he gets up out of his desk and walks away. And what he's doing in that moment is he's heading over to the sales manager to find out if that particular vehicle, the one that you're looking to purchase, is incoming to the dealership within the next week or two. And he double checks to see, and there might be an incoming unit it might be a different color, but it'll be the same model and trim. So then he comes back to the desk where you're waiting and he says, hey, great news. That vehicle you're after, we just had a customer who just canceled a deal and you can get the vehicle right away. And you're on top of the world. You're over the moon. Because now you don't have to wait the several weeks or months to get the vehicle that you're after. You can have it right away. And this is where he drops the hammer. Because he tells you that, well, that previous customer, they purchased that vehicle with an extended warranty and with rust proofing. So if you want to purchase that vehicle that's available right now, they're selling it the same way with an extended warranty and with rust proofing. Let's take a quick look at this for a moment. That extended warranty, it comes in at about $2,500 or more. And the rust proofing, they're selling for $1,500. Don't even get me started on that. So he says, if you want that incoming unit, you can purchase it and you can pay for those extra products because that's how they're selling it, or you can wait for your factory order to come in whenever it's going to come in. And what has he done in that moment? He's created a false choice for you. He's telling you that you can have the convenience of having that vehicle right away, but you've got to pay what amounts to a $4,000 or more premium. Or you can just wait for your factory order. But let's address the big lie. There was no previous customer. There was no canceled deal. That salesperson, that sales manager, that dealership, they knew they had that vehicle incoming for weeks. It's part of their regular allocation from the manufacturer. So everything that he just told you about a canceled deal and needing to sell it with the same products that it was sold with previously is a complete lie. On top of that, he's going to tell you that, well, you got to make up your mind quickly because we also have this other customer. My colleague, he's got another customer who's looking to purchase that vehicle right now. So if you're interested, you got to let me know. Now, the average customer faced with this moment of urgency and the prospect of getting their vehicle sooner is more often than not going to say, yeah, I'll take it. I'll pay that $4,000 premium. And that's why I'm sharing this information with you today, because too many customers are falling for this trick. It would be one thing if he told you that, hey, these incoming units, they're in incredibly high demand, so we sell them with an extended warranty and rust proofing. And you know what? The honest salespeople, they do exactly that. They don't come up with this big storyline in order to try and get more money out of their customer. They tell them straight up, hey, there's a premium on these vehicles because they're in high demand. And if you want one, you can get it right away, but you're going to have to pay for an extended warranty and rust proofing. And then it's up to you to decide whether or not you see value in those products. But it's this performance about the canceled deal, about the customer. Well, they purchased it this way, and now you have to purchase it the same way for whatever budgetary reasons the dealership has. And you know what? Now that I think about it, it's actually quite cowardly, because that salesperson doesn't want to come out and give the customer the hard facts about market demand and say, hey, this is a product that has a premium on it, and you're going to have to pay a premium or you're going to have to wait. So how do you handle the situation if you'd like to have your vehicle sooner, but you're not interested in purchasing all those extra products? Well, first you can just ask them. Just say straight out, I'd like to get my vehicle sooner, but I'm not interested in an extended warranty and rust proofing. The chances are they're going to make up some reason as to why that's completely impossible. And that's when you hit them with this question. You ask them, so you're telling me that if I want to purchase this vehicle that you have in stock, that's available, that I have to purchase these added products? And that's going to give them a moment of pause. In fact, that salesperson may say, hold on, let me check with my manager. And you know what? I actually suggest that you ask the sales manager that exact same question, because the sales manager will know, if they're worth their salt, that they're setting themselves up for some big problems. Because what they're attempting to do is called tied selling. That's where you tell a customer that in order to purchase the vehicle, they have to also purchase these added products. And here in the province of Ontario, that's not permitted. If OMVIC were to find out, OMVIC is the regulatory body here in Ontario, if the OMVIC were to find out about what they're up to, they'd have some serious questions for that dealership. In fact, if that dealership has that vehicle advertised on their website at the manufacturer's suggested retail price or whatever, you're within your rights in the province of Ontario to say, well, actually, I'd like to purchase that vehicle at your publicly advertised price. Dealerships here are required to show what's called an all-in price, meaning that they have to show all add-ons and fees, everything short of taxes and licensing. That's what we're after here, allowing a customer to make an informed decision based on the facts. I do, however, want to provide some balance here. There are salespeople, honest salespeople, who will give their customer the facts straight up. They will tell them that that vehicle that's available right now is in high demand. And because it's in high demand, it's sold at a premium. And to offer you some value, rather than just marking up the vehicle, we're offering you these products, an extended warranty and rust proofing, and then allow you to make an informed decision about the value that's being presented to you. But that's not how it's being done. Instead, it's being done with blatant lies and elaborate stories in order to try and corner you with a sense of urgency. Now, in a perfect world, every salesperson and dealership who attempted this nonsense would get reported to the local regulatory body and would face the consequences for that. But sadly, that's not happening. A friend of mine, a former colleague, who's a service manager at a very large dealership, hi Dan, if you're watching, he had a term for dealership sales tactics like this. He called it a wallet flush. Please do not fall victim to the wallet flush, but do take a moment to give us a like and subscribe so we can reach more car buyers just like you. And remember, you can visit carzuka.ca for more information about your entire car purchasing journey. As always, thank you so much for coming along for the ride.